Teachers, if you are tired of spending hours on lessons plans, grading and worksheet, these three free AI tools will save you time every single day. Hey, welcome back. Today I am showing you three completely free AI tools every teacher should use in 2025. And these tools will help you create lessons faster, grade smarter and reduce your daily workload. Tool number one is Diffit. Many teachers in the US are using this now. This is great for students who struggle or need simpler version. You also get questions, vocabulary, summary, printable worksheets, and it's completely free. Tool number two is MagicSchool AI. It's made specifically for teachers. You can create rubrics, generate quizzes, write emails to parents, create warm-up activities, make worksheet instantly. All those for free. Your tool alone can save teachers 3 to 5 hours weekly. And tool number is ChatGPT and its free version. Even the free version can generate lessons plans, classroom activities and explanation in seconds. It gives you objective activities, homework, everything. It's perfect for saving time and building ideas quickly. The three free AI tools you can start using today are now ChatGPT, Diffit, MagicSchool AI, and all free, all powerful and all perfect for teachers. If you want to full tutorial on how to use these tools, comment tutorial below and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools and workflow tips.